And the winner is Jabarkhet Nature Reserve in Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. Set up just over 2 years ago with Vipul Jain as owner and Sejal Vora as driver, they sought to preserve this 110-acre site from overexploitation and development. Jabarkhet is now a restored forest habitat, part of a rapidly diminishing Middle Himalayan ecosystem. Here is an example of a citizen action conservation project, a denuded wasteland and a rubbish dump, now rewilded with over 300 species of birds, large mammals including goral and bear, and over 300 species of wildflowers. Proof, if ever you needed it, that forest restoration is possible with singular dedication and vision. The reserve is looking to become sustainable with private membership and revenue from visitors who want to spend their time immersed in its forest alongside trained guides on carefully planned nature trails. We wish Sejal Vora and her team every success and hope it provides an inspiration for others to take action too.